Hello and welcome back to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's still Thursday morning. I just got back doing an errand and picking up some supplies at the Super X Market in Linda, California. The Super X is my favorite Asian store. It's actually a grocery store. I mean, it's in an old. The building was originally a grocery store. Plenty of product, a lot of choices, a lot of selection. For me, it's worth the drive, and I'll show you why. Pick up some stuff that I need for next week from my menu, which just got posted online. I need some coconut milk. I picked up 2 because I'm always needing it. I got some black sesame oil, which is basically just a darker sesame oil, and this is from not Hayward. Doesn't say, but it's Dragonfly. You know, if you notice, I have several Dragonfly. This is a Dragonfly product. This is a Dragonfly product. Very good products. I've had good luck with them in the past. Bought another thing of hoisin sauce. I have another. This is the same brand that I bought the last time. It's very good. This next bottle is, let's see if I can get this right, Xiaoying cooking wine or rice wine. I've been needing this for a while now. I've been substituting regular white wine, good old American Napa Valley or Sonoma Valley wines in place of the Xiaoying. So I finally picked up a bottle. The next is a fish sauce that's from Vietnam. And let me explain something. I'm in markets like this because I don't know the product or don't know it very well. I look at to see how empty the slot is that the product's in. This product was on sale, and it was basically almost gone out of a case. So that's why I chose this. I could have gone to the fish sauce, bigger. Actually, it's like double the size of the same fish sauce that I have, but I want to try something new, and it didn't cost me very much. And I'll get into the prices and costs in a minute. So then again, another Dragonfly product. This is an oyster sauce. I'm going to try it. This is different than the one I normally get. And yes, that is Kikkoman soy sauce. I talked to my friend Mark, Chef Mark, of Wanderlust or Wonderful, whatever his company is. He's on a boat right now, fishing boat. I asked him, what soy sauce do you use for your regular or everyday cooking? He goes, I use the cheap stuff. Kikkoman. And he gave me a name or two of other ones, but he says, I only use those as really high-end stuff, but his everyday, normal cooking soy sauce is Kikkoman. Hey, they've been around 300 years. They got to be doing something right. But I'm going to do some research on soy sauce today and tomorrow, and I'm going to come up with some reasons to try something different, because I looked at the soy sauces. There's light, there's dark, there's this, there's that. It's like, I was confused. So I'm going to do some research, and I'm going to share that research with you. One of the other things I bought, and this is the smallest bag they had, these are Asian chilies, dried chilies. You see them in a lot of Asian cuisine, from Thai to Chinese and so forth. I broke down and bought the bag. Like I said, this is the smallest bag they had. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break this down, and I'm going to break out the vacuum seal machine that we got from Robin's father. And I'm going to vacuum seal at least half of these peppers so they'll last a lot longer. Now, I said I'd get to the price, and I'm going to get to the price now. All of these items, there's 9 items here, and one of the things I did, other than the chili peppers, because I can't find them anywhere except for the Asian markets. I actually, in my phone, because do pretty much everything in my phone, I checked, basically in my list, I put the ounces and how much it was going to cost. I had to buy it at Bel Air. I saved money, period. That's somebody's going to say it. And there's some stuff I can't get. There's product I can't get at Raley's or Bel Air. Yeah. So, and I'll tell you how much I spent. For all these 9 items, And some of these are almost double the size of that I normally get at Bel Air. This was $34. That's it. 34 for all this product, 9 items. I will use every one of these. You know how much I love Asian food. So I'm going to I'll get off the soapbox, but check out Super X Market on North Buell Road here over in Linda, California. It's about a 5-mile drive for me, something like that. I had to check the odometer. All right, on this Throwback Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.